In today's video, Bruce reviews games. I present to you Korea Choco-Pie. Here's the inside of the box. Looks pretty good. Oh wow. It smells very good, to be honest. Like so chocolatey. So what's so special about this specific Choco-Pie is that normally, as you guys know, the filling will be either cream, marshmallow, but this here covered in cake crumbs, so you can't see it much. Basically, the filling of this specific Choco-Pie is Korean rice cake. I can't seem to pull the filling out, so I'm gonna eat the crust first. But so far, nothing special. Wow, now that's a whole new level of the meaning of Choco-Pie. The marshmallow filling, already gooey and a bit sticky, sort of chewy. It blew my mind. For score, taste, for texture, 4 out of 4 texture, 4.9. Just because I don't want to give the perfect score, but it's that good. And there it is. If you guys enjoyed the video, keep doing things.